Yo guys, this is BIONT, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a viral remix like Goodboys Bongo Cha Cha Cha. This is how it sounds if you haven't checked it out yet. Before starting with the video though, don't forget to do all that good stuff to support these free FLPs. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you got any suggestions for future videos. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the video. As always guys, let's get started with the drums. Now we're adding a higher layer of kick. Alright guys, so now let's move to the open hi-hats. Let's see how they sound. Yeah, but let's add another layer. Once again, we need another layer. And another layer. Alright, but that's it for this open hi-hats. So now let's move to the claps. Let's see how they sound. Yeah, but we need to add another one. Alright, so now let's add some rides. Let's see how they sound. And this is how they sound alone. Cool guys, now let's move to percussions. We have quite a lot of layers, but let's start from the first one. This layer is made just of a clap sound and a reversed hi-hat. The second one is instead made of a closed hat. Then we have some simple snares. Another closed hat. Some bongos. And finally, the last layer is just this snare-ish kind of effects. So let's see how it sounds. Cool, so now let's hear the drums all together. Alright guys, but now let's move to my favorite element of this track, which is obviously the bass line. Let's hear how it sounds. I'm sorry if it was a little bit laggy, but now let's hear the bass line alone. This bass line is made of 2 layers, let's hear them one by one. We have the first main layer, which is this gritty type of bass. And then we have the second layer, which is just a simple subline. Alright guys, so now let's add the lead over that we have at the beginning of the second drop. Let's hear how it sounds. As you might notice, in this sound, automations play a huge role. So let's hear it without and with automations. Just a very boring sound. Now it's a lot more exciting. I'm automating specifically the pitch bend, the filter cutoff, and the volume. So one of the last elements that we have now is just this laser effects. So let's hear how it sounds. Alright guys, so now let's move to the last part of this project, which is effects and ambiances. Let's hear them all together. Now let's hear them one by one. We have this noise sweep, this cymbal transition, this crowd noise, and just some basic white noise. Alright guys, so now as always, let's slap some effects on the master channel. Alright guys, so now we're finally done also with this project. As always, don't forget to check out the link in the description to get its FLP completely for free. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the final result.